MyDolphin alerts are the customizable alerts needed to better control the data flow. They can be tailored according to your needs. They are customized by user. In other terms, they are your control tools. This training will show you how. 1. Set a new alert definition. 2. Assign alerts by parameters and by users. Each module creates its own standard alerts useful in our system. Nevertheless, some additional and customized ones are needed according to each customer request. In this example, we will create a new special alert. This sample will create a special alert showing purchases created today. We need to create the stored procedure that fills the data read in the MyDolphin alerts. This data is filled in a table, therefore we need to create it. The alerts definition are saved in standard tables in order to give parameters, variables and by users. So, we need also to save the definition of the alerts in the appropriate tables. Now we will create the table that will hold the data to display. ID field is mandatory to be created. Make sure to select the correct database and execute. Now we will see how we will create the alerts from the MyDolphin administration module. In the alerts configuration screen, press Add. Fill the alert name. Fill the stored procedure name. Fill the description. Add the default alert parameters. In this example, we will create one alert parameter as the company sequence. That was a special alert example. In case of standard ones, you can already see the already installed alerts by navigating in the alert configuration screen. Now, we will assign this alert to which users it is assigned and what are their parameter value. Press F2 on the name in order to get the alerts list. By default the parameters are filled below with the default values and you can change them. In the Users tab, you can choose to which users this alert is assigned to. Now we will create the stored procedure that will fill the data in the newly created table. Delete from SDM_alerts, this is to delete from all users the header alerts related to GRN today that is shown in MyDolphin. Delete from S_IM, this is to delete all data from the special newly created table. This table will hold the data to display in the alerts details. execspmda_get alert sequence at num alertsake out is to increment the alert sequence and filled in at num alertsake variable. Get the alert definition sequence that we have created in the alerts configuration screen having name as grn today. Insert into SDM_MyAlerts table that we have deleted above, and it is shown by user in the MyDolphin section My Alerts. In my_sec, we should fill the num alerts sec that we have read above and row, which is the number of records in the select. Row_number, over, order by APA_ID desk, as row. In my_sec, we should fill the fk_cmp_sec alert parameter that we have created in the alert. You can see the from is from another, select with pivot table, in order to get the alert parameters by user. In my_username, we should fill the as_us_ code from the alert parameters by user. In my_message, we should fill the message to display in the alerts list in MyDolphin. In my_UF name, we should fill the alert name that we have already created in the alerts screen. In my_table, we should fill the table name that we have created and that will hold the data details of the alert. In my_ID, we should fill the APA_ID from the select below related to the user's parameters. Note that we are selecting the user's parameters according to the alert sequence that we have read above. Update last sequence. Now we will insert into the details table according to what is needed and to the concerned users by their respective parameters. This is the main select of the data. In our example, we are reading the purchases done today. We will add the join to the user's alerts parameters tables. Note this link with the user parameter. Then we will read the final data in this select to be inserted in the alert details. Create the stored procedure in the appropriate database. Then you should create the job in SQL Server that runs the stored procedure. In our case, the stored procedure is called s_sp_for_alert_green today, or you can force the run from Query Analyzer. Now login into MyDolphin with user 1. As you can see, the results are for the company 2 because in the alert user parameters we have chosen fk_cmp_sec value equals 2 for user 1. Now login into MyDolphin with M. As you can see, the results are for the company 1 because in the alert user parameters we have chosen fk_cmp_sec value equals 1 for M. The unread /read icon flag is automatically changed. Thank you for using Visual Dolphin.